Hello. Today I would like to show some interesting watch what I have in my collection. This is a diesel DZ-4160 model, and it has very interesting design. If I open the box, you can see this watch which has unusual decoration and shape and combination of different colors. Gold plated here. This is just stainless steel on this side, and bracelet has combination of stainless steel and black leather. So let's remove the box and open this bracelet and take a look again. So this watch is multifunctional watch. It's actually chronograph, and it has two buttons to control chronograph functions and crown, of course, but it has also 3 sub dials. We will take a look later for these 3 sub dials. Also there is some window to display the date, and 3 hands, second hand and hour and minute hands. It's pretty unique watch. It has shape, unusual shape. And what I am also going to do is to install fresh battery, because this watch was sitting on my shelf for so long that battery has expired. And I'm going to open this watch, show how to replace battery in this particular moment, and also I will show how to set up chronograph after changing battery. So let's open the case. And I need to move it closer and maybe expand a little bit. Okay. So there are 4 screws, and we need to unscrew to open the case. And we will see what kind of movement is inside, and as I said, we will replace battery and see how this watch works with its multifunctional design. Okay, there are movement which reads as VD57B. This is the movement of this watch, and it uses battery 371, and I will show how to replace this battery. I push it here and battery jumped out, and I can put new battery instead and push it back. So there are 3 coils in this movement, and each coil controls different functions. There is also, I can show you how to reset this watch from inside. We need to short this small contact to the chassis. Do it like this, and if you will see, all hands are moving now, and they returning to the original place, which could be not exactly as now. Now it's perfect. In all small hands show the 0 position, but sometimes after changing battery, these hands will move in different directions and stop at different points, and for that situation there is some procedure to set these hands back to 0 positions, and we can start chronograph to see if it works. So I was correct saying that this subdial counts 1/10 of each second, and it will continue to rotate for 1 minute. So this subdial shows seconds, so when there will be 60 seconds counted, this hand will stop. And this subdial counts minutes, so 1 circle here, 1 minute there, and this will stop. So this is about all functionality, and we can move case back to the place, trying to collect watches that they look differently, they function differently, maybe different brands, different designs. And I can say that Diesel actually is very interesting brand that always creating something different. I have several Diesel watches and probably I will show them in the future, but for this time let's take a final look for the design. And this is the Diesel here, and the band is kind of very strange. Half is metal, half leather, but it's interesting. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time.